And my man has never been adjusted, is that right?
Correct.
And been powerlifting for how long?
About 10 years.
Oh my goodness, brother. You might love this, bro. Let's just get nice little release right there. Breath in, hold. Exhale, relax. Hold. Exhale. Big breath, big hold. Last one. Hold it. Yeah, buddy, let it go. Let's try that other side. There's one already nice. That's the one I needed to hear. Let's get you on your back face up. That sounded good, didn't it, buddy? Yeah. Woo. Relax here. We're just gonna go kind of left to right and right to left. Right here, there's good already, buddy. Nice. Beautiful. And, same kind of thing, it's gonna fall. Ooh.
I'm so jealous.
Oh my God. Come on up, bro.